guys, today I'm gonna go out in our area and you guys can come with me. I make videos of me and my sister. I make travel videos and other more fun videos. So enjoy our time. I'm gonna show a beautiful area in our place. So this is near Lulu Village. We got so many places, like in Lulu Village we have so many shops. This is near Mahesina and this is my area. So I'm gonna show a beautiful place that has a lot of views. And this is near McDonald's in Lulu Village. In Lulu Village we have a lot of things to explore. We have pharmacy and shops and much more. So these are trees and beautiful dead trees that is so tall that I thought. This is the area of the McDonald's drive-through and this is a very nice environment. Okay guys, let's go to the main road. So this is an area like between restaurants and much more, and my sister and me just have a lot of fun over here, and this is a peaceful area also. This is a very peaceful area that my sister really loves to play. Okay, so guys, now we are gonna go out of the Lulu Village. We are going to go near the wonderful place I told you. So this is the main road. So this comes from the highway, all of that. So this is the main road. So I'm gonna show you something very cool. And this is a bridge which is to cross. This is a pedestrian bridge that we can cross. This is one of the main road in Mahesina area. This is coming from the highway, so this big road, nobody cross the road because there is a fine. Dubai is very strict, guys. That's why there is a nice bridge. So come with me guys, we are going to that awesome bridge. So it takes a very long time and my sister loves this bridge. She always run around, I can't even catch her. She's so fast in the bridge. I am going to show you the best views on Mahesina. So come with me guys, let's go. Okay guys, so you can see the best night view over here. I'm on the top of the bridge now. It's very beautiful. You can enjoy all the views, the night views in Mahesina. And this is the main road area of the Mahesina city. Okay guys, so we came down off the bridge. It took 5 minutes to come. It took 5 minutes to go up and come down. Okay, now I'm going to go inside the bus stop. There's a bus stop nearby, so we are going inside the bus stop. Come guys. Okay guys, so we came inside the bus stop. Ooh, it's so refreshing and chilled. So it's very hot outside. Wow, this is so amazing and it's very refreshing. Okay guys, so now I'm just gonna sit here and enjoy my moment because right now outside is kind of very hot. So I'm so tired, and after that I'm just gonna go home. Okay guys, so now we're going home and I was so tired. My sister also was so tired, so we just bought some snacks. Okay guys, so we now reached home and I'm going to end the video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe.